Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Samsung S26. So first, what you guys want to do is simply remove the screen protector or a case. Let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is not applied properly, so your screen protector is going all over to the sides of the phone, to the edges, then you can throw it away and then put in a new one. Make sure you put it perfectly onto the screen and not outside of the screen. Now, what you guys want to do for the case, if your case is covering those dark parts, those are the bezels, they are between the screen and the sides. If they are covering them and going onto the phone, then even right here, they can stop your phone from working, or they will simply tap on something all the time, just like this. So, what you guys want to do in this case, simply remove it, and now simply grab a microfiber cloth and clean your screen. So what you guys want to do is use this and give it a few swipes, and as you guys can see, the screen is now pretty much cleaned up. It looks good, and what we're going to do next is simply update our software to fix any touch glitches. So there's not much you can do. You can just update your software, and you go over into the settings, you scroll all the way down to the software update, you tap and check for updates, and you will see a result. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version so you do not struggle with any old glitches on your device. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.